Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to use not in CSS selectors. So let's get started. When we use not in CSS selectors, we generally write a condition inside the not. Okay, when not is specified or written inside the CS selector while building a CS selector, inside the not there will be a condition specified. That CS selector having this not having a condition will locate the elements which are not satisfying the given condition inside the not. Whatever the condition inside the not is there, right? That condition not satisfying elements will be located on the page. Okay. So it will work in an opposite way. Generally, when you write a CS selector with a condition, that CS selector will locate the element which matches the condition. But in this case of not, this CS selector having this not with a condition will locate the elements which doesn't match the condition. Okay, will locate the elements which doesn't match the condition. So let me demonstrate this practically so that you can understand in a better way. For that, I'll first open the browser and take you to the sample application page, that is omayo.blogspot.com. Once you are taken to this page, okay, once you are taken to this page, right click on the blank area and select inspect option. You will get the Google Chrome Dev Tools, and here click on the double arrow and select selectors hub. Okay, here I am going to locate all the elements on the page which have the tag name as input. Okay, to get started with the understanding of how to use a not in CS selector and what will happen, okay, when you use not with a condition in CS selector. For that to happen, let's go step by step. Let's understand it in a step by step manner. First, I want to do what is, I want to locate the element, locate all the elements on the page which have the input tag name. Okay, out of all the elements on the page, I want to locate the elements which have only the input tag. Let me write the CS selector for that. I'll just mention the input. This is a CS selector locator for locating the all the elements on the page which have the input tag name. You see, there are 34 elements, input, input, input. All the elements having the input tag name on this page are getting located. Total, how many are there? Remember this count, 34 are there. Now, out of all these elements, I want to locate one element which has a name attribute value as user ID. You see here, 1, 2, 3. Third element you can see here has name attribute as user ID. Okay. So if I put square bracket and say name is equal to single quote user ID and press enter, what will happen? Out of these 34 elements, only one element which is having the input tag name and having the name attribute value as user ID will get located. Press enter. Out of 34, only one element is getting located. Now, in this kind of situation, what if I want to locate all the elements on this page which have the input tag name, but they should not have the name attribute value as user ID? If that is a situation, if that is something that I want, okay, I want to locate all the elements on the web page having the input tag name, but they should not have name is equal to user ID. Should not have, I'm saying, okay, the condition should not match. Then, so here square bracket starting and ending, right? This highlighted part I'm going to put inside the not function. After input, put not function like this. Inside the not function, put the remaining part. This part you put inside the not function, including square brackets, everything you put inside circular brackets of the not function. So input colon not circular brackets condition. When I press enter, you see remaining 33 elements out of 34 elements, remaining 33 elements which doesn't have the name attribute values user ID are getting located. So this is how the not will work in CS selectors. So this is an example for how to use not in CS selectors. And when you specify the condition inside the not while creating the CS selector, that CS selector locator will locate the elements, okay, will locate the elements which are not matching the condition that is specified inside the not. Okay. So here is the example. And that example we have tried on this website page, sample application page, this one. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.